Hello everyone! For those who wants to know kung saan kami ngayon, we are here at night market here, malapit sa Gurir Mall, Dubai. Ayan, I'm with my cousins, umiinom kami ng karak chai. Dito din pala sa night market, may libreng live band. Mga Filipino guys ang mga kumakanta.
Wala.
So, ang night market pala, may mga food, meron ding laruan for kids. Ayan yung mga kids, grabe ang saya nila. Pati si Vika, talagang ayaw nang umalis dito sa rocking na mga... Hi, Ton! Hugok na suman? Yeah! Auntie? Say thank you to Auntie Minchie ka. Say thank you. Okay, eat na. Try.
How do I do
slowly?
How do I do it?
Try to taste if it's yummy. Yummy? How about Ate Ella?
Can I have some milk? Sticky. Okay, sticky rice?
Sticky rice. That's sticky rice.
Can I drink this?
Okay. No, you put that in the...
Wait, let me...
Try, Daddy. Daddy.
Ano naman?
Try.
Open it.
How's the suman? Good?
How many milk? Two and one. Two or one. How many milks inside? Two or one.
Todd, is it nice? Tasty? Yummy? Approve, Todd? Ito nga palang suman ay gawa ni Ate Minchie, yung kapatid ng asawa ko. And first time na nakatikim yung mga bata ng suman, napakasarap. Hindi nakakaumay. Kaso konti nga lang yung nagawa niya dahil konti lang yung dahon at napaka-expensive pa dito. 7 dirhams daw ang bawat bili nitong dahon. Kaya next time maghahanap kami ng dahon pala para makagawa siya ng maraming suman.